Hey folks, in this video I'm going to be replacing the fuel filter on this Tohatsu 2-stroke. This is a 50 horsepower, it's an M50 D2 the model, and this is the filter we're replacing it with. It's a genuine Tohatsu part. It's a 3AD 022340. So all we need for this job is a 13mm spanner and a 14mm spanner. The fuel filter is located just here, and it's held in place by a 13mm nut. So we can loosen off the nut and lift out the filter. The filter is currently full of fuel, as you can see, and on the bottom of the filter there's a square, sort of a plastic moulding. If we have a 14mm spanner, we'll be able to use the open end of that to turn counterclockwise. And our bowl screws off. In the center is our old filter. It actually looks perfectly fine. It's a little bit crushed looking, so no harm to replace it. And a small O-ring. So we're going to empty this out and clean it out. I can see quite a bit of dirt at the bottom of that, so it'll be good to get it clean. Before we put in our new filter, we need to make sure that our O-ring is in good condition and seat it back into the top of the filter. Our new filter then sits into the little housing and then simply screws in. Doesn't need to be too tight, just tighten it up gently. And it helps to make sure that our new filter isn't in at an angle or crushed. So if we shine a torch in through the bottom, we can see the filter is in line and straight. Then pop it back onto its bracket and use our 13mm spanner to tighten that nut up. If you were going to replace the oil filter, it's exactly the same procedure. The oil filter lives on the very front, bolted to the front of the power head.